Icetouch Computers presents unveiling the official HP USFF 4th generation. It's a high-performance machine with an Intel Core i3-43C Gen processor, 4GB of DDR3 RAM, and a speedy 128GB SATA SSD. It features a clear 15-inch monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Get a free gift every purchase this Diwali, worth almost 9,000 rupees. The desktop comes pre-installed with Windows 10 or 11 Professional and Office 2021 Professional, both with lifetime validity. Secure your data with a year's ESET nod, 32 antivirus protection, all this in just hours. 11,799/perfect for office use. Don't delay. Step into the future with the official HP USFF 4th generation, your ultimate tech companion. Call us 97669555746. That's right, folks. We're not done with the good news just yet. Icetouch Computers is excited to announce that we're offering free delivery anywhere in India. No matter where you are, from the bustling streets of Mumbai to the serene landscapes of Meghalaya, we've got you covered. Your brand new HP USFF 4th Gen will be delivered right to your doorstep at no extra cost. We understand that convenience is key in today's fast-paced world, and we're doing our part to make tech shopping as seamless as possible. So don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Order your HP USFF 4th Gen today and enjoy our special Diwali offer, free delivery, and of course, the high-performance experience that our products guarantee. Call us at 97669555746 and step into the future with Icetouch Computers. Your ultimate tech companion is just a phone call away.